This presentation introduces information about the STA Diploma Part 1 course. So who are the STA? The STA are the Society of Technical Analysts. We've been around for over 50 years. And our mantra is to increase the use and understanding of technical analysis globally. Throughout this course, it gives you an in-depth introduction to technical analysis, and it also provides you with an international certification in the subject. This is an interactive online course. It features live Zoom webinars from October to December, and it allows real-time participation and learning. If you miss a lecture, don't worry. They can be accessed via recordings. And also, you can ask questions either via email or via a dedicated student forum. Discounted fees are available for early booking, so make sure you do so by the 30th of September. So who is this course aimed at? It's aimed at pretty much everybody who's got an interest in trading. So everyone from traders, brokers and dealers, market analysts and private investors can benefit from this course. It'll help with your trading, your risk management and timing of your trades. So what are you going to learn on this course? You're going to look at all different types of market analysis, from fundamental, quantitative and technical. They're all aimed at providing perspectives for understanding market dynamics and opportunities. You're going to learn about chart types, line, bar, candlestick, and you're also going to learn about chart patterns such as reversal patterns and continuation patterns. You're also going to learn about theories such as Dow theory, Elliott Wave, Fibonacci and cycle theory. All of them help interpret market behaviour and trends. You'll be learning about technical indicators and oscillators, such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, RSI, MACD and on-balance volume. We give you a list of recommended reference books to read, and don't forget, as part of the STA membership, you have full access to the STA library where all of these reference books can be found. So what do our old students say about taking the course? They appreciate the course's clear and accessible introduction to technical analysis. They mention the expertise of the lecturers and appreciate the real-world experience shared throughout the course. And let's not forget, they make you feel more confident discussing and using technical analysis in their careers.